I'm Jim Hurley, Cooper Hurley Injury Lawyers. Day in and day out, I try to help people when they're injured in car, truck, or motorcycle accidents. And oftentimes they have a lot of questions about car insurance. What exactly is car insurance? So I want to spend a little time and talk about the three main areas of car insurance when I'm dealing with people that are injured in car, truck, or motorcycle accidents. The first one is property damage. How the heck do I get my car fixed? The other person's insurance company, the other person that caused the accident, they're responsible for fixing your property damage. Generally speaking, you can go to a mechanic or a car repair place that you want to go to, and you just want to be sure the other car insurance takes care of the damage of that car. Now at times, what happens if the other person that caused the accident has no car insurance? Then, unfortunately, you have to use the property damage on your policy and take it to where you want and get that fixed. Property damage is important. You want to get the car fixed. So get it fixed either through the other person's car insurance company, or heaven forbid, if they don't have car insurance, then you've got to use your own. What the heck is liability coverage? That doesn't mean anything to me. Liability coverage is the car insurance. That's the word insurance people use, and that's the word that lawyers use. But every day it just means, how are you protected if you cause an accident and you injure somebody? That it's very important to have good liability coverage, because if you're sued, heaven forbid, you don't want to have any type of possibility of having your home or any money in the bank affected by that. So your liability coverage should be high. In Virginia, the minimum is $25,000, $50,000. You want to have at least $100,000, $300,000 of coverage. Preferably $300,000, $500,000 of coverage. And what that means is, for each individual person hurt in an accident, the most they could possibly get would be that first number. And then if there's more than one person hurt, the most possible that they could get would be the second number. So, for example, if you had 300, 500 coverage, one person's hurt, you're covered up to $300,000. If two people are hurt, you're covered up to $500,000. So please, please call your insurance person and get the most possible insurance coverage you get from a liability standpoint to protect you and your family. The third key area of any car insurance policy is what insurance people and lawyers will often refer to as underinsured or uninsured. What that basically means, if you're hurt by somebody in a car and that other person has no insurance, you can use your own insurance to help you. It also means if you're terribly hurt by somebody else and their car insurance is a minimum policy, only $25,000 in Virginia, and you have at least $100,000 of coverage, that means you can use part of your insurance to cover for your injuries, because that other person that caused the accident is underinsured. So please, it's confusing, the terms are unusual. The most important thing is that you want to call your insurance person. You want to have a minimum of $100,000, $300,000 coverage. Preferably, you should have $300,000, $500,000 coverage. And that can help you under the uninsured or underinsured. Please understand these three basic concepts of your car insurance policy, because someday it may really help you out. I'm Jim Hurley, Cooper Hurley Injury Lawyers. If I can ever help you, give me a call, 757-455-0077.